This is Josh and welcome to Porfection. Today we're installing clear marker lights on a 718 or the same marker lights on a 991. My yellow 911 already has those, but I got a 718. Everybody knocks the marker lights, and you know, I guess because my car already had the clear ones, I was kind of thinking, why worry about it? But I tell you, once you see it, you just can't unsee it. It just draws the eye, and you just go, why? So I got these from Suncoast, as many people do. The price was a little higher, but I got a quality product. I've seen some of the aftermarket kind of lights that are half the price, $60, $80, $90 for a set of two. But a lot of people say they fit kind of loose. They kind of rattle around a little bit. As you'll see when we change these, they're not loose. Just to kind of see, so here it is with the orange. And then I already changed the other side here with the clear, and I just think it's worth it. It just looks so much better. So let's go ahead and change these. I'll set up right here. Like everything else, we try to do it in one take. Give you all a accurate picture of how this works and the time it takes. Let me get a little closer here. So first off, it's not a gentle process. So you pull from this side first, unclip it, then pull it out this way. There we go. All right, and then you have a small clip in here, and I'll show you right after I get it off. Mount it up. Oops. Oh, it keeps releasing as I'm doing it here. Hold that up and slide it off. Okay, so what that was, that little clip was just right in here. And you just got to hold it up and then slide it at the same time. So here's the clear marker light. So we'll reverse that. This slides in here. Now what the tricky part that a lot don't show, you have this little clip here, and that's got to go into there. Now it's easy to get this part in, but not at the same time that this doesn't pop back out. So we'll get to that in just a second. So of course your little wire can slide right back into there. So that just slides right back onto here, all the way up. Make sure it locks, and we are. Then you put that into here, and then you just can't let it slide out. Then you have this little clip here that it helps to kind of push that forward, that relay. And then you pop it back in, and there we go. And that's all there is to it. Just, the first time it does take a little bit of pressure, but I didn't break anything when I pulled it out from here. So anyway, I hope that's helpful if you're debating on getting those clear marker lights. And remember, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of my infrequent updates. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.